Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Autodesk 3D Max 2027 how to round edge. So as example you can create a box objects, and if you want to round edge in these objects you can right click and then go to convert to editable poly. You can choose selection to edge and scroll down, so you can use the chamfer tools. You can click the settings on the chamfer. Now you can select the all edge. After it we can change for the uniforms to 3, and then you can set for the edge chamfer amount. You can click here, hold, and then you can move to set for the amount. And then to create for the round, you can change at these points, connect edge segment. So increase to create the rounds, and if you done, you can click the OK button. Okay, that's it for basic 3D Max 2027 how to round edge.